The world is a delicate place, Gonzo. It needs strong leadership to maintain it.
Yeah, but just where do I fit into all of this?
eBay. My employer shall be pleased with this.
What's that?
This, my friend, is a tool that will help us achieve world domination.
He dead? I don't know yet. Magolor? Wait, he vanished!
Kirby?
You are not invited to the party.
That's not Kirby.
No, it isn't.
What?
Oh, I see you're finally awake.
Who are you?
They call me Frank. And you are Magolor, I presume.
What? How do you know who I am?
I know lots of things. If you come with me, I'll explain everything to you.
But I just met you.
Well, you don't seem to have many other options at the moment.
Well, alright.
You seem pretty beat up.
The Master Crown drained me of most of my power. It took every last bit of strength I had to teleport out of there.
I see. Come along. We don't want to keep the others waiting. And here we are.
A cardboard box. This feels oddly reminiscent.
Do you have any regrets, Magolor?
What?
If you could go back in time, before your battle with Kirby, would you do anything different?
Are you the ghost of Christmas past or something? I mean, well... I should have killed Kirby and his friends as soon as I got the crown. Would have gotten me out of whatever mess this is.
I see. It's good to see you lads again.
Yes. Oh my.
Welcome to the Great Council, Magolor. Let me introduce you to everyone. Over there's Mickey. That's Jack.
Yes.
And this is Ross Fetterman.
Hello, Magolor. I am Ross Fetterman. Okay, so is one of you gonna explain what all this means? Here at the Grey Council, it's our responsibility to help heroes across timelines fulfill their prophecies.
Every hero has a prophecy to fulfill, and there's usually a wise old man to help them fulfill it. That's where we come in.
That's right. And we want you, Magolor, to be our newest member. But I'm a villain. That's my one point in which I'm originally based.
Ooh, save up enough communion points. You could purchase yourself a righteous pilgrimage. I'm afraid his thoughts are clouded by revenge.
Yes. As soon as I get all my magic back, I'm gonna show Kirby who's boss. The final boss. Mickey, open the laptop. I think we gotta show Magolor something. Oh, that's me! Yes, Magolor. These are the events that just happened to you. But that's not possible. How do you know all this stuff?
Did I tell you? This dimension exists outside of time. Anything's possible here.
Alright, now that you know the past, it's time for you to know the future. In the years following your battle with Kirby, he and Bandana Waddle Dee would go on a quest to find a certain Purple Bird Productions and save the world. What? Hey, wait a minute. Isn't that you?
Yes. I used to be pretty sexy back then, yes.
But how are you old now if that's the future?
Time travel.
Ah, time travel. Sure, okay, whatever. Whoa, what's he doing? Oh, you don't need to see that part. It's me again. That's right, Magolor. In the future, you save Kirby at a crucial moment. Without you, your world is doomed. What? Why would I save Kirby? I hate that guy. Look, Magolor, let me lay it out for you. Being bad is bad. But being good is good. Wow, what a convincing argument. I'm utterly swayed. I'll just get to the point. Look, in the future of your world, there's this guy named Gingerbread, and he is prophesized to defeat the Prophet. Who's the Prophet? I'll show you. Whatever. Stop. It is unwise to mess with dark magic.
No, I am little child. You are mean to me.
Don't worry, Frank. I'll get him. No! Quill, stay with me, man. Stay with me.
I'm dying.
Well, he's dead. You killed him. Huh. Interesting. The prophet has fallen from our caste. And the prophecy says that only Gingerbread can stop him. Prophecy? What prophecy? The second prophecy. You see, Kirby defeating Purple Bird Productions was the first prophecy, the main one. The second prophecy is the optional one. It'll only happen if we have time for it, and well, we have time for it. The prophecy also says that you, Magolor, have to help Gingerbread defeat him. But I don't want to do that. I'm afraid you don't have much of a choice, Magolor. The Master Crown drained you of your power. You won't be able to leave here without our help. So, basically, I'm your slave. It sounds worse when you put it like that. Well, this has gone on long enough. The hour of fate draws near, Magolor.
Oh yeah, and Frank's going with you, so don't try anything funny.
Well, Magolor, it seems our journey has begun.
I read the news today. Oh boy. Cookie Run Oven Smash has been a commercial failure. And now the top employees at Dev Sisters aren't getting paid, such as the CEO, or even Gingerbread himself. In other news, he blew his mind out in a car.
I used to be Ginger Brave. Now, I'm Ginger Loser.
The world is cruel, Gingerbread. Take back what is yours!
I'm gonna have to get that fixed. Now where are we?
We're back in your world now, Magolor, in the year 2026.
Well, it's good to be back, I suppose. Oh, by the way, what was that stone you were holding?
Well, that was a time stone. It's a fragment of the Big Bang that allows us to travel through time.
Okay. So where's this, Gingerbread guy?
Now I know how a fish feels.
I believe that is him.
So we need Gingerbread to defeat the Prophet, right?
Yes, Magolor, remember, no funny business.
Of course. Here, let me handle this. I have quite a way with words. Oh no! Somebody help me! Oh, I'm being attacked by this big boy scary guy named the Prophet. I just need a big, strong cookie to defeat him.
Well, I do like helping people, especially when I'm paid to do it.
Magolor, what did I say about no funny business?
Look, that guy works for the Prophet. We gotta get him.
You're just trying to manipulate Gingerbread the same way you manipulated Kirby.
Well, yeah, because it worked.
It worked until he almost killed you.
Well, yeah, but...
Wait,
Uh-oh.
are you trying to deceive me?
No?
I hate liars!
Oh, God!
I'm getting too old for this.
Magolor, roll!
Here I come!
Where'd you go, you deceitful little fudge cake?
Surely I've still got some magic left.
Take this!
Do you give up yet?
Will you two cut that out? Gingerbread. The phone's for you.
Hello?
Gingerbread, I am God.
God?
You need to kill the prophet. The prophecy dictates your fate.
Whoa. Well, if it's God's will,
I shall do as he commands. Oh, so that wasn't manipulation?
The Lord is true and just, Magolor. Amen.
Ugh, whatever. Nothing's made sense Nothing makes sense anymore.
Well, it's time for me to take my leave.
Wait, what? You're leaving?
This is your journey, Magolor. You must help Gingerbread defeat the Prophet by yourself. I will be watching from beyond, but this is where my physical involvement ends.
Oh well. See you around, I guess.
You're not even going to thank me for all I've done for you. That's what I thought. Oh, wait. Before I go, take this. Zma! Okay, bye for real.
Well, Gingerbread, my name is Magolor, and I'm going to help you defeat the Prophet.
All right. Nice to meet you, Magolor. So where do we begin?
Well, let's take a look.
Wow. Oh, geez. Looks like we have quite the adventure ahead of us. And a lot of big boy bad guys to defeat. First, we're gonna have to go to Death Forest 4 to find Sentinel Prime.
eBay.
And then, we have to go to the Evil Fountain and fight Woody.
Friend inside me.
And then, we have to go to the dentist. And then, and only then, will we make it to the bad guy lair where the Prophet lives.
Wait a minute. Well, why don't we just go this way? Looks much faster.
But what about the bad guys? I mean, that stuff wouldn't be on the map if we could just skip it, right?
Look, we only have 10 days left till the project's due. Let's just cut to the climax.
Okay.
How much longer are we gonna have to wait here for? We must wait for the heroes to arrive. Then we shall unleash your full power.
Boss, it's a.
Yeah, I did it! I killed the Prophet! Oh, that was easy.
Gingerbread, that's the Prophet.
Oh.
Gingerbread, we meet at last. But how did you get here so fast?
Let's just say we took a shortcut.
Can I go home now?
No, I still need you for my plan.
What even is your plan, man?
Very well. I shall explain my master plan. Our world, the world of the plushies, was once governed by 3 sets of heroes. The brothers, the birds, and the hedgehogs. Those the heroes have abandoned us and left us all alone. If the world of the plushies is to survive, we need new leadership, stronger leadership. That is what my employer intends to offer.
Employer?
You thought I was doing this all by myself? That is where you come in.
What?
Gonzo over here was once the Blue Terror, a very big boy bad guy. With the power of the Time Stone, we shall transform Gonzo back into the Blue Terror. With the power of the Blue Terror on our side, the plushy world will bow before us.
Ugh. Well, I'm Gingerbread, and I'm gonna stop you.
And, I'm gonna help.
We shall see about that. Sentinel, Woody, attack!
Oh, about that. We killed them off screen.
What? No. Then that means...
Oh yeah, that's right. The Poppy Brothers Jr. gang is back again. I'm gonna steal you.
Not these guys. What? Are they tough? No, actually quite the opposite. They're incredibly pathetic.
Pathetic? Oh, I'll show you pathetic.
Your shoes are untied.
Oh shit, for real?
I'm just gonna... Goodbye.
No! I should have hired better minions.
You know, honestly, Mr. the Prophet, I'm rather unimpressed at the quality of your bad guys.
Look, I'm sorry. I was strapped for cash, and those were the cheapest bad guys I could find.
Well, time to die.
No!
Wait.
Huh?
My employer! I apologize for doing such a shit job.
Your failings will be dealt with later, Guinevere. I'd wish to speak to the hero myself.
Wait, do I know you?
As a matter of fact, yes, Gingerbread. We know each other.
Rather well. It's muscle cookie. Incorrect. It is I, Cocoa Cookie, from Cookie Run.
So you're the real villain of this story.
Correct, Magolor. Why did you think Cookie Run got so popular all of a sudden, Gingerbrave? I had some help from my friends. On the inside. During the 2020 pandemic, I took control of dev systems from behind closed doors. Ever since then, I've been in control of the company, with the goal to use Cookie Run to take over the world. But with the recent failure of Cookie Run Oven Smash, my plans have been halted, which is why I now require the assistance. The Blue Terror.
Okay, just for the record, I had no idea about any of this.
Our world lies in ruins, and yet you two still wish to stop me? Well, it's kind of my job to help him stop you, so, yes. Very well. It's time for the big finale. Guys, fighting is bad, but friendship is awesome. We gotta be friends with each other. Dude. I've never thought about it like that before.
He's right. We need to be friends with each other.
What is happening?
I am sorry for being evil and killing Quill from Hollow Knight. From now on, I'm going to be nice to people.
And now that you mention it, I do feel bad about what I did to Kirby and his friends. To tell you the truth, I didn't have a lot of friends growing up. And I was bullied a lot. I think the only reason I wanted the crown was just to feel important.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I think when I go home, instead of getting revenge on Kirby, I'm going to ask for his forgiveness. And if he doesn't offer it to me, well then that's okay.
Well, friendship is much nicer than being evil.
Hey, so does this mean I can go home now? Aww. Die. Gingerbrave! There's a lot of dead people down here. Gingerbrave! Oh man, I'm dying. Oh, Gingerbrave, please don't go. Sorry, Magolor. I got shot. I gotta die now. Oh, Gingerbrave, get up! You can't die!
He's okay, Meg. He is in Angel Land now.
Wait a minute. You're right, Magolor. I am? Even if I run out of life powder while falling into a bottomless pit, I still show up on the results screen. I can't die. I've never played Cookie Run, but I'm gonna assume that you're right. Ha! Let's finish this. Ha! We meet again. Oh, that's stupid. I could just shoot you again. Shoot me? But, I don't see any gun over there.
What? How did you do that?
I have really good hand-eye coordination. Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Yes, you did it, Gingerbrave!
Yeah, I'm Gingerbrave. You fool! If you can't die, neither can I!
Aw, crap! How are we going to end this movie?
Magolor, look over there.
Gingerbrave, I have an idea!
Alright. Hey, Cocoa Cookie, you want me? Come and get me.
You idiots! I'll get out of here, and you'll be sorry!
I don't think so, Cocoa Cookie from Cookie Run. So, are we just gonna leave her in there?
There is only one option. I must sit on these books for the rest of my life.
You don't have to do that, Prophet. Surely there's another option.
That is the least I can do for the evil I have done.
You haven't really done that many evil things.
Huh? Where'd he go?
Magolor, you have done well. You have finally learned that being evil is bad and being good is good. You have earned yourself a seat on the Grey Council.
Oh, geez. I don't know what to say.
You may now return to your original point in time. Don't forget to watch Pokemon Horizons Season 2, only streaming on Netflix.